going on, peoples? Just got my other helmet. Real quick. It's a huge box. I have my blade. I'm taking a break while I'm at work. I couldn't wait till I got home, so there's not really going on in the office. Oh man, this thing is big. Have my tripod and everything. Oh, they gave me extra dreads too. It's a lot lighter than my other helmet. And my buddy personalized with Alex Lexus on there. So, the wind doesn't want to cooperate. It's blowing all over the damn place. So. The dreads are really long. I really secured this thing. Oh no, this is glass. That's a helmet. Huh. Yeah, I don't want to pull anything. Jack it up. Ah, interesting crafting. Yeah, these are foam. They're long. Looks more traditional. Looks more traditional part of it. You're being extra careful. This one has canines on it. Man, this thing is big. Alright. Well done. Holy shit. Damn, you made it like a damn maze to get out. Oh, see, there's like a little keychain for the skull. There it is. My open face. And it's light. Really light. Alright, so I'll be getting in there and doing some mods to it. But for the time being, that's pretty cool. Just to show you, it's a regular helmet underneath. Got the DOT approved sticker in it. Wow. Doing this by myself kind of sucks. Got a little keychain, skull keychain on it. So, just inspecting everything. So this is a half face version of the helmet, just to reduce the weight. So obviously I'm not going to be doing some crazy speed with it, but let's see what it looks like. Oh. This one fits a lot better. Ow, that hurt. Fits a lot better. So, gonna put it away. It's my other helmets as the alternative. So, yeah, a lot lighter, less stress on my neck. So, here you go. Yee. Peace. Guys, I have to kind of get up and close. Man, look at that. That is crazy. So much lighter. At first I was worried about the carbon fiber it's made out of, or the resin, but the only thing is just a little thing under here kind of pressing up on me, but it's really form-fitting as opposed to the other one. And this one, to reduce the weight, they only did the front of the helmet, and I might be able to mod and put it on something else, so to speak. But I'm still gonna keep the bio helmet, and then I fixed the laser light on it. So I have a spare one of these, and I have this one. So I'm gonna go for a spin after work today. But thank you to Ghostbiker Helmets. Those guys hooked it up. It's a different company from here, but yeah, this is cool.